Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Dashcam 2K is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your vehicle, offering an extra layer of security and peace of mind on the road. This in-depth review will explore its key features, performance, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right dashcam for your needs, covering everything from video quality and night vision capabilities to ease of installation and additional functionalities like parking mode. Number 5. ROVE R2-4K Dashcam. Experience the future of driving with crystal clear 4K video recording. It's packed with features to keep you safe and connected on the road. Capture every detail with its stunning 2160p resolution. Even in low light, the revolutionary night vision ensures clear footage. Instantly access and manage your recordings through the ROVE app on your smartphone. Download and share your videos quickly and easily. It accurately records your location and speed. View your route on Google Maps via the app or our GPS player. It boasts a supercapacitor, a wide-angle lens, parking mode, motion detection, and more. It's designed for ultimate peace of mind. We're a USA-based company committed to your satisfaction. Contact our customer care team for quick and efficient support. What we like. It boasts stunning 4K Ultra HD recording in super night vision. You can easily access and share footage via its built-in Wi-Fi 6. If you demand top-tier video quality and seamless connectivity, this dashcam is for you. What people say. The built-in battery that powers the camera briefly while parked doesn't hold a charge as long as it did when new. It will power the camera for about 30 seconds, plus as a standalone power source if the camera is set to detect impacts while parked. This is a nice, small, unobtrusive dashcam. It appears, and feels, to be built from quality materials. It comes with a couple of different brackets for mounting. This camera's video quality is outstanding. At 1080p at 60 fps, with the 168GB Samsung Evo Select micro SD card that I chose, a 1-minute video 157 MB can be downloaded via Wi-Fi to my old Samsung Galaxy S8 in under a minute, and a 3-minute video for 64 MB in roughly 2.5 minutes. Number 4. REDTIGER F7NP Dashcam. It captures every detail on the road with Ultra HD 4K and FHD 1080p resolutions. This helps you read key details like road signs and license plates, providing crucial evidence in unexpected situations. It features an exceptional optical lens with an ultra-large aperture and HDR/WDR technology. This ensures you capture important details clearly, even in low-light conditions. Connect it to your smartphone app via Wi-Fi to view, playback, and manage recordings. You can also download, edit, and share videos with friends and family. It records your driving route, speed, and location. Track your trips on Google Maps via the app or our GPS player for added evidence in case of an accident. It features loop recording, G-sensor collision detection, and 24-hour parking monitor, hardware kit needed. This ensures important footage is always saved. It's backed by an 18-month assurance and 100% satisfaction guarantee. We offer 7 by 24 hours technical support to assist with any questions or concerns. What we like. This dashcam provides front and rear 4K recording, capturing every detail. Its superior night vision ensures clear footage even in low light. If you need comprehensive coverage and a ready-to-go solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Crystal clear video, front at 4K and back at 2K, produce high-resolution video where you can read license plates and even identify who was driving another vehicle. Easy to install and with clearly written English instructions. Great suction cup with integrated GPS antenna makes installation a breeze. The 4K Auflösung for the front camera and 5K for the Rückkamera are beeindruckend. Die Aufnahmen are gestiken scharf, selbst bei schlechten Lichtverhältnissen. Kennzeichen and other details are jederzeit gut erkennbar. Number 3. ROVE R2-4K Pro Dashcam. It's our newest dashcam, packed with features for superior recording and ease of use. Experience crystal clear video and advanced connectivity. It captures incredibly detailed 4K UHD video at 30 frames per second or 2.5K at 60 frames per second. Never miss a moment, day or night. Connect to it easily with your smartphone via 5G Wi-Fi. View, download, and share your videos instantly with our app. It has a built-in GPS that records your speed and location, providing additional evidence in case of an incident. It also displays this information on the LCD screen. It boasts a supercapacitor for extended life, voice guidance, a wide-angle lens, and emergency video locking. It also offers time-lapse recording and a parking mode. It includes a custom-designed 24/7 parking mode with options for time-lapse video, motion detection, and collision detection. A hardwire kit is required for this feature, sold separately. What we like. Experience the speed of 5G Wi-Fi for quick video access and sharing. It records in stunning 4K UHD. If you value high-speed connectivity and advanced parking features, this dash cam is perfect. What people say. Camera works great. Easiest setup of a camera I've ever used. Quality of video is unmatched. Night vids are clear. Field of view is great, picture quality is excellent. The camera feels very solid and is easy to install. Download video to my phone is fast and easy and the video quality is excellent. Number 2. VIOFO A129 Plus Duo Dash Cam. It's the ultimate dash cam for superior recording. See how it captures every detail, day and night. It records simultaneously at 2K 60 frames per second in the front and 1080p 30 frames per second in the rear. This ensures you get crystal clear footage of everything that happens. With advanced Sony Starvis sensors and HDR, it provides exceptional clarity even in low-light conditions. See license plates and road details clearly, even at night. It seamlessly connects to your smartphone via Wi-Fi for easy video access and configuration. GPS data is embedded in your videos for accurate location and time stamping. It offers 3 parking modes: auto event detection, time-lapse, and low bitrate recording. Never miss a critical moment, even when parked. It's packed with features like motion detection, loop recording, and more. It's also expandable with optional accessories. For optimal performance, use VIOFO's high-endurance microSD cards. They're designed for reliable, long-term dash cam recording. What we like. This dash cam records at an impressive 2K 60 frames per second, capturing smooth, detailed footage. Its enhanced night vision ensures clarity in low light. If you need high frame rate recording and flexible parking options, this is a great choice. What people say. The video quality is great on both cameras, and I can see everything clearly in the videos. This camera takes incredible footage. I even put the CPL filter and you can put this directly in the sun and you can still see the video clearly. My rear window is tinted 20% and the visibility is not affected at all. Currently, everything works very well, the front and rear pictures are of good quality, the video recording is not disconnected, I have not seen the device overheating or anything. Number 1. Vantrue N4 Pro 3-channel dash cam. It captures stunning 4K video from the front, interior, and rear simultaneously. Experience crystal clear footage, day or night, for complete peace of mind. This dash cam boasts incredible license plate recognition, even in low light. The advanced technology ensures sharp, detailed images, no matter the conditions. With built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can easily access and share your videos and photos using the Vantrue app. Stay connected wherever you go. It offers multiple parking modes to protect your vehicle around the clock. The motion detection feature helps save storage space by avoiding unnecessary recordings. Use voice commands to easily control it without taking your hands off the wheel. It's safe and convenient. The built-in G sensor automatically locks and saves video in case of a collision. This ensures you have the evidence you need. It's simple to install, and comes with an 18-month warranty for your peace of mind. We've got you covered. What we like. It offers a unique 3-channel 4K recording with advanced plate pix technology for license plate clarity. You can control it with your voice. If you need comprehensive coverage, superior license plate capture, and hands-free operation, this is the ideal option. What people say. The 4K front camera delivers clear video, making it easy to capture important details. The rear and interior cameras also perform well. Super clear video, both night and day. Can zoom in on anything in the video up to 5x to help see details, like license plate numbers. The 3 channels provides complete coverage in the front, back, and the inside with excellent video quality in both day and night. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.